Today's notes are on volumes of rectangular prisms. The volume of a three-dimensional figure is a measure of the amount of space it occupies. So this is the volume. All right. Volume is measured in cubic units or units cubed. Okay, remember area is measured in units squared. Surface area is measured in units squared. And volume is measured in units cubed or cubic units. A unit cube is a cube with an edge length of 1 unit. So each side of this cube measures 1 unit. Okay. The volume of a rectangular prism is the product of the length, the width, and the height. So product, we know we're going to be multiplying. The formula for the volume of a rectangular prism is volume equals length times the width times the height. And then the formula for the volume of a cube is volume equals side cubed, or side times side times side. So let's find the volume of these rectangular prisms. All right, so our formula is volume equals length times width times height, which is 5 times 6 times 10, which is 30 times 10, which is 300 meters cubed. Meters times meters times meters. All right, and then for this one, volume equals length times width times height. So we're doing 20 times 2 times 5, which gives us 40 times 5, which is 200 inches cubed, because we're doing inch times inch times inch, inches cubed. So let's recap. Volume of a three-dimensional figure is a measure of the amount of space it occupies. So when you're talking about volume, you're talking about filling up something. So maybe a cup, for instance. If I was to pour water into it, the space that it occupies in the cup is called the volume. Volume is measured in cubic units, and a unit cube is a cube with an edge length of 1 unit. We find the volume of a rectangular prism by multiplying the length times the width times the height. And we find the volume of a cube by multiplying side times side times side, or side cubes. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.